In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folders in Notion. Notion is a versatile tool that lets you manage and organize information seamlessly. Being able to organize your notes, tasks, and projects effectively can truly enhance your productivity. Let's jump right in and get started. First, you need to open Notion. This platform is great for streamlining your digital workspace. Once you're there, create a new page. You can do this by simply clicking the button that says Add a Page on the main dashboard. As you might know, pages in Notion can function as a blank canvas for your ideas, tasks, or whatever you want to organize. Let's give this page a name, something straightforward like folder. Naming your page is important because it helps you identify what it's for at a glance. Think of this page as a folder on your desk where you'll keep all related documents neatly organized. Once you've created and named your new page, this will act as the home base for all the information you want clustered together. Now comes the exciting part. Organizing. What you want to do next is take any existing pages that you have, which might be floating around, and move them into your newly created folder page. You can do this by simply dragging and dropping the pages into the folder. This process is like moving physical documents into a file folder, helping keep everything organized and easy to locate. You'll literally grab a page from your list on the sidebar and drop it into the newly created folder page. This method keeps your sidebar neat and uncluttered while preserving easy access to all your necessary documents. As you begin to populate your folder, you'll notice how much easier it is to manage related content when it's all in one place. Remember, consistency is key. As you create more pages or subcategories, keep naming conventions clear and intuitive. This makes navigation a breeze and saves time. The more you practice, the more second nature this will become, and you'll be able to streamline all your tasks and projects effortlessly. In conclusion, creating folders in Notion is straightforward, but can vastly improve how you manage information. It's about more than just tidiness. It's about making your work process smoother and allowing you to focus on what really matters without getting bogged down by disorganization. Thank you for watching and following along. If you're not already using Notion, I hope this encourages you to try it out. Take full advantage of its ability to organize your digital life. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.